This is introduction for a laptop. A laptop is a personal computer that can be easily moved and used in a variety of locations. Most laptops are designed to have all of the functionality of a desktop computer, which means they can generally run the same software and open the same types of files. Now, we will ask some questions to this poly student. Hi, my name is Muhammad Syarul Shafi Bizamri. My matric number is 10 DKM2381018.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nurmi. My matric number is 10 DKM2381097.
And hi, my name is Muhammad Faiz bin Abdul Rahman. My matric number is 10 DKM23F1093.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hamdan Zakirin bin Amar, and my matric number is 10 DKM23F1500. And we are from
DKM
3C.
Now we will ask some question to this poly student and let's see what they think. Hi, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Can I interview for a while?
yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. First. Okay. What you usually use laptop for?
Okay, I normally use my laptop for PowerPoint and play games also because I'm a JP student and I need my laptop every time.
Okay. Now the next question is what the benefit the laptop for the poly student?
Okay, as a student in Polytechnic, the benefit of a laptop, so we could do our assignment without sharing anyone's laptop, and also we can have our own time like watching movie and playing games also for us because we are students and we have to have fun also. So that's my opinion.
Okay, thank you. Do you think laptop is important to poly student?
Yeah, it's important. See, even I bring my laptop every day going to class. Right?
Next. How often you use this laptop?
Actually, I use my laptop on a daily basis because we have every day we have assignments and we get tired for these things all. So in conclusion, it's on a daily basis.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, my turn. In your opinion, as a poly student, is this a laptop a necessity or necessary?
As a poly student, laptop is a necessary because, as I told you, we have a lot of assignment. And for me, as a JP student, we have a lot of assignment every day.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Okay. I have some question for you.
Sure.
What the spec that important for you to look for a laptop, such as specs, price or brand?
Okay. From brand, my favorite brand is Asus Aspire. I recently bought this laptop, and then for our specs, I bought a Ryzen 5 7000 series, and the price was just 4,900 only, which was my budget of 5,000. So you can see it's perfect, nice, beauty, and for student it's worth for it.
Okay, as you can see, this laptop is very good for a poly student.
that can use daily. Okay, thank you.